This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we got a dryer here making some noise. You hear it's a little rough sounding. We're gonna take this thing apart, check it out today, see what that noise may be. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this here dryer out, and we are gonna take off the back panel. That's this panel right here. Once we take off this back panel, it'll show us the blower housing and where the element is and all that. So I'm going to pull this out, take that back panel off. Alright, we got this back panel off. And the first place we're going to look is behind this ducting here. The blower housing is right under here. And that just blows air out of your vent. Blows air out of your vent. And that's how it actually leaves the dryer. And the lint trap is on the top, coming down. But as it comes through, it catches on that lint trap, which is up here. And that's where all the lint falls through up on this side, goes down into the blower housing, and blows the air out. But with the kind of noise that we're experiencing, it's most likely down in here. So we're going to take that off and check it out. Alright, we found our problem. Well, most likely this is our problem. Got a bunch of pins, screws, hair clip things, all up in this dryer ducting here. Got some springs. Looks like they left a lot of pins in their pockets whenever they were doing laundry. So make sure you clear your pockets before you do laundry, because this stuff can back up in it. So we are going to clear all this out. We're also going to vacuum everything that's on the back side of this dryer here. Get it all nice and clean before we put it back together. We don't want to catch anything on fire or anything, so we are going to clean this sucker up. Alright, we got it all cleaned up, hooked up the ducting and the electrical wire. We're going to give this thing a test before we continue. And you hear that rumble is gone. We cleared out that housing down there, and now our noise is gone. So if you're ever hearing a rumble noise or excess vibration noise or something like that, check your blower housing. It may not always be on the back like this one, but yeah, check that blower housing, clear that out first before you do anything else.